to my channel. I am Sammy Jayne and this is my channel IdleGirl. Thank you so much for taking the time and clicking on this video, and if you are new, welcome. I hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button and join our family. Today's video is quite an exciting one. I'm very excited. I've wanted this palette for a little while now. I did want it since it came out, but it wasn't enough for me to go and buy it because I'm trying to save a little bit of money and you know. But if you've been watching my vlogs, then you will know that my wonderful boyfriend went to Poland on a stag do, and apparently it was really cheap over there and he couldn't spend all of his money. So on the way home in the airport, he picked this up for me. The Naked Heat palette, which I love the packaging on this. The only other Naked palette I have is the 3 and I love it. I'm totally into my pinks and my rose golds, and I'm like, yeah, so I do love that palette. When I saw this one, I did think, you know, I kind of want it. And looking at it now, I'm liking it. I'm very liking it. Look at those shades. And just literally, like, the packaging is bomb. I love it. Sorry for blinding you with it, but you know. So yeah, so I'm going to do a makeup look using this palette. I'm not sure what shades I'm going to use. I don't think it's as red as I thought it was going to be. They're much more wearable shades. In my head I think I was thinking like quite, not bright reds, but like more deeper reds, whereas they're more like, how would you explain it, like burgundy, like, I don't know. But I'm definitely seeing some like, oh, there's too many shades to choose from. I don't even know, like, what am I going to do? But anyway, do you know what? Let's just get into it and just see what happens. So I'm going to go in with the shade Sauce. Now, I really like that the shades are just literally right there. So Sauce, which is here. I'm going to go in with that one. It's not a super pale one. Like, the one next to it would be more like my shade. But, hello. You guys know me. I do not do, like, muted. And I'm going to a 40th party tonight, so I feel like I can have like a nice glam eyeshadow look. So let's do it. Oh my god! Wow, wow! Okay, feeling it. We are going to have to blend this out a lot though. Wow, that is so pigmented, guys. Whoa. Love it. I can see this palette getting used like a lot. There's no patchiness, it's just blended literally flawlessly and perfectly. Right, okay, I'm really liking this shade, guys. So, yeah. Right, what am I really like the look of the one next to it as well. So because of this shade, and it's not so much on the reddy side, I'm feeling like keeping it that way, although most of the dark ones are more on the reddy side anyway. And I need to go in with something dark. I'm liking this one on the end, Ember. I think I'm gonna, wait, let me just, this one here, Ember. Jasmine! I'm so sorry about my dog. She's just having a little play. Yeah, I'm gonna go in that one. Along, like, well, I'm just gonna put it where I put it and we'll see what happens. Ooh. Wow, it's really dark. I love it. It's kind of covered the other shade really because it's so pigmented and dark, but I really like it. So I've basically blended it right out, and you can just see a really vague like outline of the other shade behind it, and it kind of makes it like, it just gives it a bit more definition, if you know what I'm saying. I love it. I love that shade. It's so pretty. It's got like a shift. It's got like, it's like it's a dark with like the goldy bronzy shift to it. I don't know if that's going to come off on camera, but I'm loving it. Okay. So, I'm now going to take this one here. What does that even say? Lumber. This one that says lumber right here. And I'm going to pop that one because it looks a bit, it's one of the lighter shimmery ones, and I like a light shimmer. Ooh. Do you know what I'm gonna just say, and this isn't like a negative point that I wanna say here, but it's really strange, but the colours are not true to like what they are. It's so weird. If you look at lumber there, oh, it comes off more on camera. And then look at like the swatch. The swatch is like much redder and pinker than the actual shade looks in the pan. On camera, it does look, it's weird. It's so weird. Like, it looks more bronzy goldeny in the pan, and then on the brush it's like really reddy. And then obviously on the eye it comes off really red. It looks, I love it. I love it. I'm not like saying that as a bad thing. It's just a little bit weird. It could just be something maybe to take into consideration as well. That is so weird, but I like it. But I do feel like the same thing happened with the Ember one as well. I feel like it looks more browny in the pan, and then when you put it on there's like a much more blacky tone to it with the brown reflex in it. I'm then going to take Ounce, which is the very end one here, and I'm going to just see what that's like, because the one thing that I am noticing about this palette that I'm not loving is I don't see a very light shimmer. I like a light shimmer. You guys know I love my highlight and my shimmers. Like, that's not shimmer enough really for me to be an inner corner colour. There is a slight shimmer in it, but it looks quite nice on the eyebrow. I think I would just prefer just something a little bit more. Just something a little bit more for the inner corner, I'm thinking. But I mean, it is like, it's there, so you can see that it's there. It's fine. Right, shall we go under the eye as well? And I want to use something different, because why not? Let's try this one on the end called Ashes, which is a very dark, like, to me that's like a dark, it looks plummy on camera, it doesn't look as plummy, but I bet it's going to be plummy when I get it out. Oh, I love that. I love that shade. Yes. I was going to put some black eyeliner on. And I'm thinking maybe I don't even need to. Do you know what? Let's do it anyway because I'm going to put it on the waterline. Yay! Right, I'm going to go and finish the rest of my makeup now. I need to do like my eyebrows and my lashes and stuff and my lips. And then I'll be back and we can see like what the finished look is looking like. But I'm so pleased with this palette, you guys. And this is the finished makeup look. I decided to just pop Jeffree Star Sagittarius on my lips. Instead of going for something like, you know, red or bright like I normally do, I thought, you know what, let's just like mix things up a little bit. So that is what I did. And I've also got the Mia Secret eyelashes on my eyes, and there is a video on that. Might already be up before this one, I'm not 100% sure, but I will leave. You can get them from my website and the link is always in the description box. So that's it, guys. This is the eye look, if you can even see it. Yeah, I like it. I like it. And I just love this palette. Like, I love it. It's so beautiful. It looks beautiful. And I'm not even joking, guys. These applied so nicely. Like really freaking nicely. I had no issues. I've used like 4 shades and those 4 shades, no issues whatsoever. I'm going to keep using it. You might even see a few more, not reviews, you might see a few more tutorials using this. Although, I don't know, like, the shades are similar. So I feel like you wouldn't get dramatically different looks. Obviously for me to do videos, I would want them to be quite different looks. But I don't know, I can do a few more if that's what you guys want to see. If you've got any particular shades that you want to see, leave me comments down below and let me know. And I can definitely do you a look using those shades. So yes, let me know if you've got this palette and if you love it. I also have the Naked 3, which I love, which I think I've already said. Those are the 2 that I have and I'm really pleased. I feel like out of them all now, if I could just choose 2, they would be the 2 that I would choose as well. Like, yay, I love them. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video, guys. I don't really know what else to say. It's gorgeous, the palette's beautiful, the mirror's like perfect, everything about it is just awesome. It's bomb.diggity.com. So yeah, don't know where that came from, but it is, I love it. I'm like well happy with it. Yay! I think the packaging is super cute as well. I think I prefer it to any of the other palettes, any of the other Naked ones. I just think it looks really freaking cool. Really cool. I love the eyeshadows and I love the way they went on, and I'm just going to stop rambling on because I don't have anything bad to say about this palette. By the way, this is like completely not sponsored in any way, shape or form. I just wanted to try the palette out and I'm really pleased with it. Ding! So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you are new, please do hit that subscribe button. Lots of videos to come, lots more makeup stuff. I want to get some more hair stuff done, but I don't know what's going to happen on that front, where I'm going to be able to fit that in or anything. But yeah, more nail videos, everything. I love you guys so much. If you are watching my vlogs, you will get to see a lot more of their like backstage, like behind the scenes, like behind the scenes, like everyday stuff. And yeah, they are uploaded every Sunday. So thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye!